Hi, it's Joan. This week, I'd like to talk about a particular convention. I don't believe that you should use too many conventions and be so mixed up with what they are and when you use them that you can't play a hand properly or you mess up the bidding. So that's the worst thing by overusing too many conventions. But some conventions will definitely improve your results. And one of them is Drury, which I would like to talk about today. The Drury Convention has been used in the United States always, in Australia less so, but it's very worthwhile. And it helps in this situation. When you're sitting in third or fourth seat and the bidding goes pass, pass to you, and you have a major, it's very acceptable in bidding in third seat to open a bit lighter than the 13 points required for a classic opening bid. So pass, pass, one heart or one spade by you could be done on about 10 points. Well, for the times that you find partner who's a passed hand with a great fit for you and 10, 11 only just to pass themselves 10 or 11 points, the last thing you want when you've opened light is for them to get too excited and leap to 3 spades or 4 spades and then you go down. Drury stops this. Drury is when you've passed and you have a fit for partners opener of a major, you simply bid 2 clubs. You could also bid 2 diamonds, but we don't need to be that sophisticated. We could use 2 clubs as Drury. 2 clubs says I have 3 or 4 cards support. Some people like to use 2 clubs as 3 card support and 2 diamonds as 4 card support. But I'm just talking today about 2 clubs. It's a question to partner. And when it comes back to partner, the question was, did you open light or do you have a perfectly normal opening hand? If partner did open a bit light in third, they would bid their suit again, e.g. pass, pass, 1 spade, pass, 2 clubs, Drury, pass, 2 spades. That would say, I've only got about 10 points and I definitely don't want to go to game. Please pass, partner. So partner would pass 2 spades. And you're a lot better chance to make 2 spades than 3 or 4 spades. So if you had a proper opening hand, 12, 13, 14, however many points, and partner asks you the same question when you happen to be opening in third or fourth, and it goes pass, pass, 1 spade, pass, 2 clubs, Drury by partner, pass to you, any other bid apart from 2 of your suit says, I have a good hand. And it's usually a game try. It usually says, if you've got help in this suit, partner, go to game. So pass, pass, 1 spade, pass, 2 clubs, pass, 2 diamonds would say, I've got a perfectly normal opening hand, I'm not light, and if you can help me in diamonds, please bid 4 spades. And that's how it works. It's quite simple, but you do need to remember that partner has to be a passed hand and that 2 clubs as Drury is an artificial bid. It's an inquiry about the quality of the opening hand. It can work a treat. So try the hand I've given you and good luck with Drury. Not enough to open, so pass. And you have support for partners 1 spade opening. But notice they are opening in third seat. They might have about 10 points. You don't want to bid 3 spades or 4 spades and push them too high in case they have a weak opener. So the Drury Convention allows you to ask by bidding 2 clubs. It says nothing about clubs, even though you have a club suit. It simply says to you, to partner, Did you open light or do you have a normal opening hand? If partner had a light opener in third, they would have bid two spades. When they bid two hearts, they're saying they've got a normal opening hand and two hearts is a game try. Do we have any help in hearts? Well, we do have Queen 10 6, so that's help, and Ace King of clubs and four trumps, so we should go straight to four spades. On the Ace of Diamonds lead, we look to have five spade winners and two club winners. And if we just draw trumps, we will lose to the Ace of Hearts and we should make 10 tricks. The trumps are drawn, so now let's just lose to the heart ace and they return a club. We win the king and all our hearts and spades are good. No one has any trumps left except us, so we're making all the rest. So the Drury convention allows us, when partners opened in third seat, in case they had about 10 points, we shouldn't have been going to game. So Drury inquired about openers' strength. And once we found that they had a normal opening hand, then it was green light ahead to go to game.